Do you want to try something a little different other than your standard bulletproof coffee that you always have every single morning? Well, I've got a great recipe for you. Let's go. The first thing you want to do is brew your coffee. While your coffee is brewing, in a mug, go ahead and add in your MCT oil. Be really careful if you've never had MCT oil before because it can upset your stomach. So maybe try 1 teaspoon instead of a tablespoon at first and slowly work your way to a tablespoon. You don't want to be walking around with an upset stomach all day, trust me, I know from experience. Then add in your unsalted butter, followed by your Dutch processed cocoa powder. Now, if you don't have Dutch processed cocoa powder, you can use normal cocoa powder. However, Dutch processed cocoa powder is a lot richer and will just taste a lot better. Now add in your vanilla bean powder. Now, if you don't have vanilla bean powder, you can use vanilla bean extract. It's just you won't get the super good benefits of the vanilla bean powder. Then add in your favorite keto-friendly sweetener. Today I'm obviously using the Lakanto monk fruit sweetener. As always, it is my favorite, but you can use whatever you like. And now hopefully your coffee's done, so then you can pour it directly on top of all of those ingredients. However, you only want to pour about halfway so you can mix it all together. Today I'm using my portable milk frother because it's just so much easier to use. I prefer it over using a blender because it's just so much easier to clean. However, if you don't have this and you also don't want to whisk it by hand, you can put it in your blender. It's just you're gonna have to clean it. So that's why I like to do it this way. But I did buy this off of Amazon. It was like $11. You can get one as well. It's super cheap and honestly, it's one of the best purchases I've ever made. So check that out. All right, next you're going to pour the rest of your coffee into your mug. And then give it another little whisk and then you're done. Now in this coffee, you can add some unflavored powders like supplements or whatever you like to use. Personally, I sometimes put in some prebiotic fiber or some collagen peptides. That's your choice. It hides it really nicely. Got a delicious bulletproof mocha coffee that you can enjoy first thing in the morning. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any video suggestions that I could do, and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.